Hello, today we're gonna see how to send money with your Sendwave wallet. This is easy. The first step you need to do is confirm your identity. This is really easy to do. You need to click right here and then there's an option to uh, ident- it, to confirm your identity. Okay. Once you do that, this message will appear right here. And then to send money, you need to click this button right here, and right here in this icon you're going to click right here, and then in this area is to select a country. In general, this uh, this screen is to add a contact to send money. um, in this area right here, you're going to select the country of the person that will receive the money. Right here, you're going to select the payment method to the person, and right here you need to add the some data or some info about your contact that will receive the money. It's really easy. Yeah. And you add your once you are at your contact, you need to select the payment method to pay to this person. It's really easy. We're going to click save, and then we can select our contact, click typing his name, and then we're gonna type the amount that we want to send to this person. And right here in this area specifically, you can see the amount that will receive this person in his country. Okay, it's really easy to do. Once you do that, you're going to click right here, click uh, continue to send this money. Okay, it's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.